My name is Sandra Corkern, and I'm with EY, and I'm the Global Product Manager for the EY TRIRIGA internal installation and deployment.
My name is Charles Shrodes. I am a Senior Software Engineer with Ernst & Young, working for the internal implementation of TRIRIGA.
It started back in about 2007 when the firm decided to go ahead with TRIRIGA, the TRIRIGA system. It was a great basic foundation that has really served us well over the years. And we came together with three different people, myself, Chaz, and our third person, Robin Pettit. And it was quite interesting because we were all quite different. And it was kind of surprising that a Cajun and a previous nuclear submarine fella and a lady from Chicago would meld so quickly together. And it happened like instantly, and haven't looked back since. And it was sort of like a perfect storm in a good way. The right people at the right time, with the right system, with the right support from the firm. All three of us have had some experience on the other side as an end user, and lots of experience. Between the three of us, we have more than 50 years experience with the TRIRIGA deployment. But at the end of the day, it's about, we really wanted to ensure that we did something amazing for the end users. They had never been on automation at all, so we needed to take them from point A to point B and also help them through the thinking of transitioning that way and not being too concerned about, are my jobs going away? So being able to show them the advantages to them, so that was quite helpful. But what we really wanted to do was change the way the firm did business in a drastic way, but a very positive way.
Not to say that we're perfectionists, but good enough is never good enough. And I don't think I could really be happy working for someone who doesn't share that. And I'm not sure she would be happy having Robin and I work for her if we didn't feel that way too. It's really part of our fiber. And I believe that's why I don't think I'd ever want to stop working with Sandy and our team. It's where I belong. It's like family.
We've had so many people come to us is the thing and explain to us and thank us because we've made their jobs easier and more efficient and smarter. And so when you have people like that and you feel like you're making a difference in their daily lives, actually, it really, being recognized for that is really significant.
Oh boy, well, I'm not gonna cry. But I see it as a very different sort of thing. How does it make me feel? I feel so glad because this particular award, the way this award is, it gives me the opportunity to give recognition to our heroes, the people who helped us along the way. There's no such thing as a meaningful journey without people who help you along the way. Yeah. It has to happen, and there were so many people with TRIRIGA, IBM, and even others, and even this is validation. This is a way for us to say to them, look what we did together. Yeah. That's why I love this.
That's right.
I'm glad to help people. I'm glad to be of service to others. That's, if there's quarterbacks and linemen, and I'm a proud lineman. And when it comes to the people, if people want to point that out, I'll thank them for giving me every reason to be of service, or thank them for the service they've provided us. This doesn't change the way I see things. I'm going to get right back to work on Monday.
Right. But the other thing too is that we're fortunate in that the people that we work with, they come back to us. They don't just do the work or enjoy the benefits of what we're doing. They come back to us over and over again, and they thank us. So it's like all of that really combines to make this such a worthwhile process that we're going through.
And I'll go one further. This is an award that we're bringing back to our entire family at EY.
Yeah.
I'd like to think that we can be humble as well, but I also think of all the people who helped us along the journey. They deserve that recognition. Mm-hmm. That's one of the biggest reasons we wanted to apply for this one in particular, is because we felt that the credit and the recognition needed to go out to the entire team beyond ourselves.
Right. And when we talk about the entire team, we're not talking about the TRIRIGA team, our TRIRIGA team. We're talking about all of the people, the end users that use our system, all of the IBM people that encourage us constantly, and other corporations as well. I mean, other corporations that do that as well. So when we talk about the team, we're talking about the team.